Feels good to know that you can smoke like 80% of the cars on the fucking road. I remember when I was driving my Hyundai, everybody used to make fun of me. Everybody would fucking bully the shit out of me. I couldn't even cut nobody off because I was so slow. It was too slow. It was too slow, bro. Niggas would get mad because I was just because I was in front of them, right? But now it's not happening no more. We can't. No way. No way, bro. And the Lambo coming. We're gonna have the Lambo soon. Real soon we're gonna have the Lambos and Ferraris. You don't believe me? Wait and see. Most I willing. Let's go. It's really not that hard to get in front of everybody. You know? What's going on, guys? Boosted Villain here, and we back with another one. And this is a day in the life of a struggle, fed up entrepreneur, self-employed, whatever you want to call it. But this car was returned back from Turo, and there is marijuana smell all over it. I smoke marijuana, so I know what marijuana smell like. But yeah, we're gonna have to charge the customer $150. But right now, we're going to the hood right now. I'm heading to the trenches, and I gotta do a brake job. Then we possibly gonna get the Tesla today. So let's get into it. Right now, we're stuck in traffic. All right, guys, so the first job of the day, we just finished it. My boy just knocked out the front brakes and rotors and the back brakes. But now we got to wait for the fucking Tesla. We just got a call. We just confirmed it that the Tesla is about to come through. So today, hopefully, we're going to receive it. Let's go. I just fucking remember that we have to go to Tesla right now because this front fucking trunk can't open, the front hood. So we got to take this shit to Tesla right now. Let's fucking go. So far, we already did a bunch of shit today, man. We are definitely running late, and this fucking vehicle right in front of us moving mad slow is not helping out. I don't know how long this shit gonna take. Hopefully, it doesn't take too long. Only reason why I don't fix this shit myself because I don't know how to work on Teslas, and that's where they get you. That's the thing about electrical car. That's how Elon Musk fucking get you. Fuck you, Elon. It's like, nah. I love you, Elon. But let's go. We should be there pretty soon. Oh, guys, we dropped the car off. Right now, we're in the new Model 3. Brand new. Let's go. Let's see how fast this shit is. I think mine is faster. Maybe because this is like a regular model. But, yeah, it's looking pretty nice. But we're in a loaner car right now. We're heading back to the hood. Let's go. We finally got to take a fucking break. And right now, we're going to eat. Eating pretty good. We got rice and chicken, and we got some fruits. We got a little bit of watermelon on the side, and we got some water. I got my boy in the cut, and we got some marijuana. We just enjoying life, man. Look at this. Look at this. You don't need money to enjoy this. So it seems like the Tesla most likely gonna come tomorrow. So right now, I'm just chilling, man. We about to get a workout. We about to hit about 200 push-ups. But the next video, the Tesla should be there, man. But hey, make sure you follow me on Instagram, boosted_villain. See you on the next one.